Welcome back to Code with Marley, and also welcome back to level 3. It's our first time. And just like I said in level 2, I am so happy for you guys. Well, today I was thinking I could show you, in this level, we're just going to try to create a little plane. And this is kind of how it's going to look, even though it's going to look a lot better later. I'm just going to have a little design right now, and I'm going to show you the parts. So this is the head of the plane. And this is where we're going to put one motor on the front to make it go up when we need to. So when we need this whole thing real fast, I need to put this together. But when we turn this, like when we want to land, we usually want to turn like this to land. So that's why we need the front motor for. And also if we want to go back down, we want to go like this. Like we want to start going down, we go like that, but then we turn like this to, this is the reason why planes do that. If you haven't seen that they do that, that's quite amazing. Anyways, then we have the left wing here. There's going to be one motor over there and one motor on the right part of the wing. And those there are going to be for controlling going left and right with the plane. Now, the next one is the tail, which is the back of the plane pretty much. And this part is this is where we're going to have two motors actually. One on this side and one on that side. So it's quite cool actually. And I'm sorry about that ruler. But this is from Tinkercad too. So Tinkercad has this kind of stuff, which is quite cool. So we got pretty much everything here. And next time, actually, when we do the design, I'm going to take this exact one and I'm going to show you where it will be on the plane. Well, see you in the next video. It's going to be probably the day after tomorrow, because yesterday I was supposed to publish this video, but I didn't, and I know this is quite short, but, I'm just going to real quickly show you an example of what will happen if I do show you the things. So I'm just going to get some electronics, and for example, if I have the Arduino Uno, I put this on the plane in a certain location, even though I'd really like to have this thing be not lockable. So I will make it bigger, but I'll put this on top of there and everything. And I won't actually make this whole thing bigger right now. Actually, I think that's a real good idea. Make this whole plane a lot bigger. That's a good idea. Anyways, we got it there, and then I could just show you what we'll do. Like, for example, I'll show you that I put an Arduino on here. But even though I won't really show you what I'm doing, like, right now. But I'm actually going to use an Arduino Nano for this. That way we can use the Arduino IoT Cloud, which I'll explain in another video. Which is probably going to be the next one, okay? Because that's going to be super important for it. No, you can only see part of the plane. Make this actually seeable. So there we go. And this is how the plane's going to look. And I'll show you, actually, right now I'm going to show you what we're going to do to get power. So we're going to put a little 9-volt battery, for example, on the back, I think, is a good place to put a battery. Well, actually, in the middle should be the best. So there we go. That's pretty much what we're going to do. And we're going to wire this all up in Tinkercad again. Next video, 2 days, since I was supposed to publish one yesterday. I said that already. But, see you guys next time in Code with Marley. I hope you're having fun at home, learning all of this, and I can't wait to make this controllable plane. And it's going to be real life, okay? We're going to control it with our own little joystick, which I haven't explained yet how to use. But if you like doing computer games, and you have your little controller, that little controller with those two little pieces that go up, down, left, and right, you know those probably then. Those are called joysticks, and I already have one in real life, and sadly, it's not in Tinkercad. So annoying. I hope they'll add it soon. But I'll show you a design of the controller right now. See you. Now this is how ours is going to look, okay? Not usually how a normal one is, just flat. And we're going to have all the components on here soon. Well, let me quickly show you the IoT cloud, okay? Well, see you at the IoT. I'm not really going to show you how to do it. I'm just going to show you like things that you'd, like I'll just show you the website, how to get around and stuff like that, okay? See you there. Okay, so I'm at the Arduino IoT cloud, which I'll send the link in the description below. Now, we are, in the main thing, we're going to have the things. And it says, create your first thing. A thing is connected to a device that can communicate with the cloud. You can make your things interact with other things or anything else in the physical world. And the reason why I said we're not going to be using an Arduino Uno is because this is not compatible with the Arduino IoT Cloud, sadly. And I don't have an Arduino Nano, which is what does work. But I'll get there. Anyways, we have dashboards, and I'll build a dashboard right now. Well, first I need to make a thing. So let's say, so first of all, we can have 3 variables if you don't pay. I don't have a paid plan. And you can connect that to your network. You need to configure these both, but not for now. I'm not going to do that yet. And let's just call this direction. And this is going to work. And this is going to be a very simple, let's see, integer number, int direction, declaration, int direction equals 0. That's good. Now read and write. That's what we want. On change, threshold 0, and add the variable. That's weird. Maybe I just need to fix this normally. Oops, okay, let's see. Variable. There we go. Okay, now we go to the, oh, no. And we have the sketch, which is, and you also need to log in with your device. But now for the dashboard, I'm going to edit this. I'm going to add, let's do a gauge. Or, no, I'll just have a value for now. Oops. Where's value? Valued. There it is. Okay, now we can edit this. And this is going to be called direction. There we go. Hide widget frame. No, I want that there. And then we have to link it to the direction for now. And this is equal to 0 or NA. Show thing name on widget. No, I don't want that. And we're done. And this is the direction. And now we can arrange it like this. I like the direction to be here, kind of like that. Done. And now, and you can only have 3, just like I said. Now, you can. This doesn't work with free templates. You have this. So, personal weather station, inventory control, thermostat control, smart garden, which is actually quite cool. I'd like to do that sometime with you guys. Remote controlled lights. I'll do that. That's quite easy. Thinking about you. Build your own IoT communication device with unique message systems. Well, these are some cool ones, and they have all kinds of different things here. And I'll show you actually all about this later on, okay? Well, hope you guys are having a great day. See you guys soon when we are gonna work on the diagram of keeping this thing up. You do not want it too heavy, okay? If you're building it out of some kind of metal or so, get the one that's not too heavy. If you're making a big plane, like real big, like kind of like a drone, you might want to use more motors than I'm using, because I am using plastic for the plane. Okay? Really, plastic. So, well, I'm actually really gonna do it. Well, I might want to name this. I want to rename this. Dashboard, not dashboard. Well, actually, I'm not going to call this. I'm going to call this something else. Kind of like, let's call this read data. And then that should be good. There we go. And you can have view mode in both here. And here we can actually even still, if we had a switch or anything, if we had a button, we can still do it in edit mode. We can still press the button and everything on edit mode. But view mode is probably better. 0. We can set it to an amount here too, which is quite cool, but it's gonna get re-put, which is actually not what I like. So I'm gonna maybe change this with I'll do a gauge. A gauge is quite good. Gauge. Here, by the way, you don't drag and drop. You just press on it, and then you can drag and drop after. Direction. And the direction is linked to a variable called direction. Link variable. 5 out of 100. Minimum, maximum, 100. Well, actually, no. It's 360 because it's going to be a 360 degree thing. Done. And here we go. Now watch this. 6 automatically change to 6. 100. Boom. So that's one thing you can do, which is quite simple. Which means we've already done something with the cloud. And the thing is, watch. If I go into an Ginto tab, file, new private window, and I go to the IoT cloud, Arduino IoT cloud. Here we go. No, I want to open it up on here. Copy, paste. So, which means that you can't, like, everything here is, oh, really? 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 I don't know why this thing is Spanish. Why is this going? Code with Marley. Yeah, it doesn't remember any of this. Go back. I already have an account. You know that, right? Let's do this. Because this is already saved. Except, really? I want to go to the cloud. Really? This is not working out. Looks like we'll just have to do it over here. No, I said cloud. Not store. Okay, this is enough trying. I'm just gonna do it here, and well, this is quite good, even though we really don't want this, which is what I'm gonna remove it right now. Delete. Yes, delete. So, this is in 360 degrees, so out of 360, that should be a very good thing, and look how big we can make it. We can make it quite big. And this is going to be the read data one, not the one where you can lock this to position because I want this like this. Done. And I'm not going to delete that whatsoever. Well, it's been fun doing this, huh? And this is actually going to change with the code. So I'm going to have a direction sensor. That there's going to sense the direction, and it's going to change the amount from 0 to 100 to 200 to 700, no, that's not a thing. Let's do 273 if we ever move there. But then we can always add more buttons, more data that we can read, more changing, all kinds of things. And it's quite cool, huh? And I'll have a list of the compatible devices in the description. See ya next video. Bye!